Hi friends, let me show you my new hair removal device. This is a home use hair removal device, Tricklet. It's really easy to use it. It comes with basic instructions, carrying bag, protecting lenses that you have to wear when you are going to use it. It has this shaving accessory because you have to use it in shaved skin, the charging cable, and the actual laser unit, okay? We are going to test it, but I just wanted you to see how nice it is, how portable it is. You charge it here with this cable. It has an app that you can use to better use it. And when you are ready to go, you can bring it with you if you're traveling or whatever. You can use your carrying bag. Okay, so let's try it.